We're clearance shopping and we're looking for stuff that has coupon matchups. So I have this $2 off one Burt's Bees. And right here we have this Burt's Bees toothpaste for $2.50. With the coupon, that would make it only 50 cents for this one. So these Tampax are on sale for $2.24. And then I also have this $1 off. So I would pay $1.24 for this box. But we also have a Ibotta rebate on it. A $3 Ibotta rebate. So after the coupon and the Ibotta rebate, you would this would actually be a $1.76 money maker. It's like, are you checking? We're just checking for the clearance. So scan that. Only $1. It says $1.50.
Check your stuff.
Yeah, check your stuff. Always scan. I don't know. I might have some coupons for Colgate. I'll have to check. Playtex, $3.92 for this 32 count. Cannot beat that. I don't know if I have any coupons. I haven't checked, but let's see. Okay, so I also found this Always Pure Pads, and these are $3.36. But I also have $1 off, and that would make it only $2.36 for this 21 count. I've never used these before, so I'm not sure how good they are. This $3 cash back on the Always Pads also includes the Pure brand, and that would make it a 64-cent money maker. How much is that one? It says $1 on the tag. It's $1 on the tag, and then it's ringing up for 50 cents in store. Okay, what's down there? Is that a blow dryer? Yeah, how much? Oh, this Cremo has a rebate.
Turn it.
I always do both barcodes. I just don't know. Oh, this is $2.50. And this says $5 here. Okay, now I think there's an Ibotta rebate. Hold on. I did not know she was using Ibotta already.
I'm here.
This is perfect. She's here. Okay, look up Cremo at the top. Ain't that the name of it? Oh yeah, I don't even know how you say it. Oh.
Whoa.
We got some points. You get $4 for every referral. Okay, so does this match that? Oh, you can also check if this is a good product because you can check barcode here. So, let's match. Oh, it's not a match.
It doesn't match.
No, so see if you would have bought that,
it would not.
It wouldn't have matched. But I think there's another one, no?
Hold on.
Oh, wait, sometimes there are restrictions on it. So, what does it say? A certain size?
Excludes trial and travel.
I mean, does it say trial and travel?
It doesn't.
Sometimes it lets you review it.
Let me check the top one. I did it a minute ago and it let me. Here we go.
Okay, so this thing says review the product. Should this product be eligible for this one? I said yes, because this does not say.
Front of the product so we can add it to our system.
Okay.
What does it show the ounces? Yeah, it shows 2 ounces.
Okay, so we just submitted that, and let's see. I don't know. It might not be today when they get back with us.
Because it doesn't tell me it's products for any variety.
Yeah, it doesn't
sizes.
say what size, and I thought they were all this size, but this might be considered a trial. We'll see. So here's some Dove products. I think we have a coupon for this actually. It's $2.75, but I haven't scanned it again.
No Playtex.
Is there any Playtex on there?
No.
On the Ibotta? Okay. But I still have no, I don't think I have a coupon for that. I think I already said that. Colgate maybe. Oh, this Love Beauty right here. These are $5 and I already scanned it and it did come out $5. But we actually have a coupon for it. So I have this buy one get one free. And we have the product right here. These are $5 and there's 2 of them up here. So you would actually get 2 of these bottles for $5 and that's $2.50 each. They're normally $6.94 here. Fortune Cookie Bath Bomb for $1.50. How much is that? 75 cents. Oh, that's so cute. You would literally walk past most of this stuff because you wouldn't think nothing about it because the price is on there. You know, may seem a little high for you, but it's actually probably cheaper if you just scan it. There's makeup here, but I couldn't find any of the makeup that I have coupons
Okay,
for.
see if there's any coupons for.
You gonna check for it on your Ibotta?
Yeah.
What's all this stuff in here?
Bath bombs.
All that's bad stuff?
Yeah.
Hold up. I have a coupon for this. I need to scan that with the Walmart app. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these two.